Hi YouTube family, good afternoon and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having a splendid day. We are going to the beach today. It's actually a friend's daughter's birthday party, so she decided celebrating it on the beach. You can see the sun is very hot, and I'm not gonna leave the house without my Skin AQUA sunscreen. This sunscreen is a lifesaver, I must confess. It's as in, when you are out in the sun and you apply this sunscreen, you are going to have this feeling of, I don't know, this comfort in you that you are not going to get sunburnt. So I'm not going to leave the house. I already applied already. So as even when I'm in the beach, I'm going to keep applying every 2 to 3 hours, guys. So you are going to catch fun with us today in the beach. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, we are on our way to the beach now. Driving to the beach is actually fun, and on this particular road we have up to 10 to 15 beaches on this road. I'm not kidding you, and all the beaches have good features. So I've been to just 3 of them on this particular route. I've been to just 3 of them, and I heard the rest of them has really nice and beautiful. Yes, guys, we're finally on the beach. This is time to bubble and shuffle. Yes, guys, we are finally here. You can see us all bringing down our stuffs from the car and walking down to the beach. And I discovered that some people are going home now, because we got there by, I think, after 2 p.m. And it's so funny that they must have been here since morning. But to me, I feel coming to the beach during the day is more fun. I don't know. It depends on them, but this is just my own candid opinion. Wow, guys, the water is so refreshing. The sound of the water, man, is refreshing. I must confess, when you are here, you just have to forget all about your problems and just think. This is a place where you can think and watch, and as in just watch people, see what they are doing, catch your phone. Don't think about your office. Don't think about the work in your office. Don't think about the work at home. Just focus on yourself totally. guys. Being on the horse is very, very, very scary. Wow, I'm actually the worst dancer ever. You can just see us dancing as if our life depends on it. Me, I was just there standing and shaking the best way I can. It's so funny, very, very funny, guys. Yeah, you can see us snapping, doing our Snapchat and all that. A friend actually took this picture, though it's not very clear, but I guess you guys can just make do with it. See ya, guys, later. At this point, we didn't want to go home anymore. We didn't want to go home. We just wanted to remain there and catch all the fun in the world. But we have no choice. We just have to go. And we had a really, really swell time in the beach. Yeah, guys, we had a nice time in the beach today, and we are on our way home finally. In fact, the beach was so refreshing that we didn't even want to go back home. So guys, this I come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up. See ya, guys. Bye.